we're going to solve for x, and then we're going to graph the solution on the number line. 3x is greater than or equal to 12. We divide both sides by 3, and then x is greater than or equal to 4. Greater than or equal to 4 means that 4 is included in the solution set. So at 4, we are going to fill in the bubble, and the numbers that are greater to 4 are located to the right of 4. For number 3, we'll start by distributing 5 to both sides, and we keep 3 where it is. 5 times 2x, 10x. 5 times 1, 5. Strictly greater than. Distribute 4 over x plus 3. 4 times x, 4x, and 4 times 3, 12. 10x, and when we combine the like terms, we get 3 plus 5, 8. Greater than 4x plus 12. Take away 4x from both sides. 6x plus 8. Strictly greater than 12. Then we'll take away 8. 6x will be greater than, strictly greater than 4. Divide both sides by 6, and then reduce. X is equal to, x is greater than, for 6, when we reduce, x will be greater than 2/3. Now, we'll just pick a convenient point for 2/3 since it's a decimal, and empty circle at 2/3 because it's not included, and we take the values located to its right. Negative 5x strictly less than 10. We're going to have to divide both sides by a negative number, and when we do, we have to reverse the inequality. Therefore, x will be greater than negative 2. This is negative 2. Greater than negative 2, strictly greater, means negative 2 is not included. Therefore, we have an empty circle at 2, and we'll shade the values to the left of 2. Number 7, we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. Negative 5x minus 3x is equal to negative 8x plus 3 is less than or equal to negative 2. Subtract 3 from both sides, and the equation becomes negative 8x less than or equal to negative 5. Now, when we divide both sides by negative 8, we will have to return the inequality. It'll switch direction. We divide negative 8x by negative 8 to get x, and negative 5 by negative 8. We will reverse the inequality. Therefore, x will be greater than or equal to 5/8. On the graph, we will locate a convenient 5/8 because it's a decimal. and show that at that point the circle is filled. So 5/8 is between 0 and 1, and the circle is filled, and we'll take the values to the right. Now, for 10, we're going to leave 2 alone and distribute -3 over 2x plus 1, -6x minus 3, strictly less than 3x plus 4. Collect the like term. 2 plus -3 will be -1, so, and -6 stays the same. Strictly less than 3x plus 4, minus 3x from both sides, -6x plus -3x, -9x, minus 1, strictly less than 4. We add 1 to both sides, -9x less than 5. Now we know that when we divide by -9, the inequality will reverse, so it becomes greater than 5 divided by -9. Therefore, x is greater than -5/9. -5/9, let's choose a point for -5/9 to the left of 0. Empty circle, strictly greater. And we shade in the values to the right. Distribution: -3 times 5, -15, -3 times -x, +3x, plus 7, less than or equal to 5 minus 3 times x, -3x minus 3 times 2, -6. -15 plus 7 will be -8 plus 3x, less than or equal to 5 plus -6, -1 minus 3x. Add 3x to both sides. The result is -8 plus 6x less than or equal to -1. Add 8 to both sides. That'll become 6x less than or equal to 7. And now we just have to divide by 6 to isolate x. X is less than or equal to 7/6. A little bit bigger than 1. We'll just pick a convenient point. It's 1 and 1/6. So you have 0, 7/6, and the values are less than or equal to. Shade in the circle and take the values to the left of 7/6.